students. Today we would proceed with grammar. Okay. So we had begun the chapter clauses. We are going to proceed with the chapter clauses today. Okay. So take out your grammar book and your grammar copy. Yes, so it is chapter number 7, clauses. In the previous class, I remember we have learnt about principal clause, which is also called the main clause, subordinate clause, and coordinate clause. Subordinate clause is also called dependent clause, okay, and coordinate clause. Okay. Now subordinate clause and coordinate clause, about that we have done. In the first exercise, you had to identify the main clause, the subordinate clause and coordinate clause wherever they occur. So, did we complete the first exercise? Did we complete the first exercise? Okay, I will explain to you. Chapter 6, exercise IJKL, ma'am, is not completed. Okay, so I did not know that. IJKLM. Thank you for reminding me, because I take 2 sections. I cannot remember. I thought that we have completed that, and that's why I started with clause. So obviously I would be continuing with chapter 6 and the chapter, those exercises which we have not done, we are going to do it today. Okay. So change, we are going to do chapter number 6, chapter 6, and we are going to begin with exercise number I. Okay. So take out your book, page number 44. Here what you have to do is, you have to correct the sentences, because you see the sentences are written in such a manner that they convey a peculiar kind of meaning, right? Like going to the market, my bag was stolen. This is not the correct way of writing it. So the answer will be, while going to the market, or while I was going to the market, my bag was stolen. Okay. Number 2. Oh, this is the second, sorry. This is number 2, okay. Number 1 is, being ignorant, her friend helped her to fill the form. Since, you have to begin with since, okay. So it will be, since she was ignorant, her friend helped her to fill the form. You will be writing all this in your copy, okay, in your grammar copy. Number 3, drinking hot coffee, my tongue got burned. So, while I was drinking hot coffee or while drinking hot coffee, my tongue was burnt. Okay. This portion, can you see? Sorry, no need to give this part. While drinking hot coffee, my tongue got burnt. Can you see this? Oh, you can't see the upper part or the lower part. So, let me just first see how much you can see. Okay, so you can see this portion. I can see that you all can see. Okay, and yes, so this area you can see. Fine. Fine, I will be doing it in this part, okay? Okay. So, while till number 2 we have done, from number 3 I am going to begin, okay? Yes, I have muted Shiba's mic. Number 2, okay, from number 2 let me do then. Number 2 is, going to the market, my bag was stolen, okay. So, you can write, while I was going to the market, my bag was stolen, okay. While I was going to the market, my bag was stolen. Number 3, drinking hot coffee, my tongue got burnt. This exercise is actually misplaced. Yes, while drinking hot coffee, my tongue was burnt. That is correct. While drinking hot coffee, my tongue was burnt, or while I was drinking hot coffee, my tongue got burnt. Both are correct. Number 4, traveling by train, my driving license was lost. So, while I was traveling by train, come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in brackets. You may do it in the book also. So, I am not going to write these answers. Please check whatever you have written in your book. Please check the answers with the one I am going to verbally tell you. Will it be alright if I verbally tell you the answers? If we discuss the answers verbally? Okay. So, okay, thank you Sneha and Sashikant and Oindrila. Okay, Shiva also. Listen, number J1, she must park. It's very simple, you can do it. I am pretty sure you have done it already. Just check your answers. She must park. Number 2, parking. Parking is not allowed here. Number 3, she is concentrating well on the lesson, or she concentrates well on the lesson. Both are correct. She is concentrating well on the lesson, or you may write she concentrates well on the lesson. Both are correct. Number 4, concentrating on lesson is easy for her. Number 4, concentrating on lesson is easy for her. Number 5, do you enjoy watching plays? Do you enjoy watching plays? Number 6, learning gymnastics is not easy. Number 6, learning gymnastics is not easy. Now, number K and number M will be a homework. Number L we are going to discuss. Okay. Do K and M in book as your homework. It's very easy. It's a big paragraph is given in a story form. Just do it in your book. Homework in book. Okay. Next, I will be discussing number L. Number L is also very easy. Every instruction is given. Which one will I repeat? Trijit? Exercise number, tell me which one I should repeat. Trijit? Okay, see, number L, let me say number L, number 1 and 2 of J. Of J you are saying, Trijit. Okay, of J, number 1 will be park, P-A-R-K, that is the simple form of the verb. Number 2 will be parking. Okay, number 1 will be park, number 2 will be parking. Number L is also very easy. L, number 1 will be watching, number 2 will be wounded, wounded. Number 3 will be gurgling, gurgling, G-U-R-G-L-I-N-G, gurgling. Number 4, to leave, they decided to leave. Number 4, to leave. Number 5, to go. Number 6, go. Number 6, go. Number 6 will be go. Yes, Chandranath correct. Roshni and Oindrila, to go, it will be number 4. Number 5 will be to go. Number 6 will be go, and number 7 will be to study. Okay. So, this one you have understood. I am going to repeat number L once again. Those of you who have not done it, please check your answers, right. So, number L, 1 will be watching, 2 will be wounded, 3 will be gurgling, 4 will be to leave, 5 will be to go, 6 will be go, 7 will be to study. So, with this we come to an end of this chapter. I don't have much time to continue with the chapter clauses today. So, let us leave it here. Please complete number K and M in your book. K and M in your book, you will complete it. Next day we will proceed with clauses. Okay. Any other problems do you have? So, tell me something, did any of you, did you all know that the exam will be rescheduled, right? So, did you give your exam, any of you? Did the link open for anyone? Yes, Chandranath, did it open for you? Oh, some of you were able to give, some of you were not. Okay, Oishi has also given. Those of you who have given, how were your exam? How was your exam? Those who has given, how was your exam? Yeah, those of you who have not given, 19 on 20. Okay. Question number 3 of exercise L. Gurgling. Okay. So, for those who have not given, exam will be rescheduled at a later date. It will be notified to you. Okay. Study very well. Thank you, students.